Hey guys, today we were on my way home from my therapy and we found two sirens. One of these is a Thunderbolt 1000T, I think. The other one is a 3T or 2T 22. Both of them look like they have their original panels, and I think the Thunderbolt is inactive, and the 3T20 maybe not. I see an antenna there. That's either a 3T or 2T22. I think that's a 2T. Anyway, here's a Thunderbolt. It's a control panel. And the thing is unlocked. What's this? Oh my gosh. This thing is... Okay, this thing is inactive, but off. So this 3T22 is inactive. And looks like it was scrapped. Okay, no, this is a 3T22. Okay, let me take a quick picture. There's the blower to the T-bolt. This still looks active. There's the original Thunderbolt blower sticker and the control panels up there. Civil defense sticker there. So that 3T22 is almost definitely inactive. The 3T22 is pretty big, and I'm not sure what's bigger, the 3T22 or the Thunderbolt. Well, looks like 12 o'clock. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. Should get it in case one of those are still active. In case that does a noon blast. Yeah, that would not be good since I don't have hearing protection. Yeah, Dad, one of the panels for the 3T22, one of the door panels is off and it shows the control panel. Back up. I think one of those sirens might still be active. And it's 12 o'clock, so it could do a noon blast. And I don't have any hearing protection, let's just say I like my ears the way they are. Could we go to the front and see if there's any more sirens? Or if you can see a different view of the sirens? Real quick. Yeah, Dad, can you see the 3T22's panel open? Yeah, it's both of the switches are set to off instead of auto, so... Yeah. There's the Thunderbolt again. Village of Centerville, 1831. Was it in Centerville? Okay, just a second. And looks like over here there was a Model 2 that got taken down because there's a Model 2 leg stands there. I wonder if it's out here somewhere still. Oh, there's the 3T22 and the Thunderbolt again. That Model 2 was definitely taken down. God knows where that is. Could be in the firehouse, but probably not. Anyway, it did not do a noon. Oh, it's not 12. It's 11. When I heard the church a bell go off, I thought it was 12. I was like, oh crap, better get inside. Scared me. This is at Menden Fire Department 12. Don't know why there's a Centerville truck there. And there's a bell. Actually, it looks like people could be here. But the lights aren't open there. Well, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, both of these sirens look like they're inactive, actually. Okay, that's not... I thought that looked like a shoe for a minute. Bye.